So let's have a look at the prevalence of sexual abuse amongst siblings. It's been argued that it is the least recognized form of sexual abuse, partly because of its characterized by secrecy and shame and concealment. Estimates vary between 3 to 5 times more sexual abuse with siblings than intergenerational childhood sexual abuse. I think that's an astonishing figure. I think it's highly probable. The reason it's an estimate is because there just hasn't been sufficient research. There was some research in the late 80s by Finkelhor, but we haven't done any big studies subsequently to look at the incidence and the prevalence of sibling abuse. Partly that is due to underreporting, as I've just said,